What's going on, guys? Today on the road to the shop we're talking wastegate. More specifically, how to take them apart, select the correct spring combination so you can achieve your desired boost pressure. So let's get started.
As you can see, I'm running two TurboSmart 40mm wastegates on my current setup. Now, the reasoning behind having two wastegates, it's all having to do with greater boost control. It is much better and easier to control each exhaust port with its individual wastegate than it is to control two exhaust ports with a single wastegate. Now, normally there will be some type of manual in the manufacturer's website, or it will come with the wastegate itself, showing you the chart that shows all the springs and what combinations to put together to achieve whatever boost pressure you're looking for. So I already swapped it out in this first wastegate. Now I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do it on the next one. So here we go.
So now that the install is complete, I'm taking the car out for a ride to see how it feels. So we'll see how this goes. Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. I'm going to attempt to drop a video every Wednesday, so stay tuned for that, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace!